To strengthen the material,
The Citra wrap process utilizes a unique
Orange peels, once considered waste, are transformed into sustainable packaging for a cleaner future.
quickly transported to preserve quality, this natural material becomes the foundation of our biodegradable packaging. The peels are thrust into a closed-loop water flume, washing away residual sugars and debris using recycled water. Cleaned and prepped, the peels are ready for mechanical breakdown.
Before the fibers can be used, the natural citrus oils must be extracted. These essential oils are captured and sold as a valuable byproduct.
Inside the biodigesters, eco-friendly natural enzymes break down the tough pectin, leaving behind pure, pliable cellulose fiber.
To strengthen the material, natural plant-based ingredients are carefully blended into the citrus fibers.
The Citra wrap process utilizes a unique fibrous biodough extruded at high speeds for maximum efficiency.
From the factory to the consumer, this packaging is designed to serve a purpose and then leave absolutely no trace.
Here is your Citra Wrap order. Enjoy.
Hey.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Unlike plastic that lasts for centuries, our citrus-based material returns to the earth in just 60 days.
Citra Wrap, the packaging of tomorrow, grown from the earth, returned to the earth.